Welcome to Beaverton School District's online registration system. Through the system, parents can enroll new students and verify enrollment information for current students. You can learn more about the online registration system through the district website. Just go to Parents and Students, Enrolling Your Child, BSD Online Registration. Here you can find frequently asked questions and an online registration parent guide, which is available in multiple languages to help you through the process. In addition, an easy 5-step guide walks you through the steps to ensure a smooth enrollment. This includes determining your fit for online enrollment, recommendations for gathering and scanning pertinent documents before starting, and information on how to use or create your ParentView Parent Portal account. To access the online registration system, click on any of the online registration links throughout the page, or click on the icon in the top right-hand corner. At the Online Registration Account Access screen, you can start the new enrollment and annual verification process. BSD parents can use their ParentView username and password to log into the system. Current BSD parents who have not yet activated their ParentView accounts will need to contact their child's school to obtain a ParentView activation key code. After doing so, you can click on the ParentView login page to activate your account. You can find this link on the bottom of the home page under Quick Links. Parents new to the district can click on the I do not have a ParentView login and need to create a new account link in the online registration login page. Here you'll be directed to enter your name and email address to start the account creation process. Before each school year, BSD parents and guardians are required to complete an annual verification of their child's enrollment information through the online registration system to help ensure current and accurate information for student safety and academic success. To verify current student enrollment information during the annual verification period, click on the Verification of Enrollment link on the online registration page. For BSD parents who can log into ParentView during the verification period, you will see a message with a link to the verification screens. For help or assistance with the online enrollment process, a how-to guide walks you through the steps of creating a ParentView account, accessing the enrollment verification screens, and verifying your child's enrollment information. If at any time during the online registration or verification process you have any questions or need assistance, please contact your child's school. Contact information can be found on the website as well by clicking under Schools. On this page, you'll find address and contact information for your school. Thank you for using Beaverton School District's online registration system. We look forward to the school year with you and your family.